Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to Trading Pips. This is me, your host Shirag. So, okay, here are we right now, and we're gonna disclose all the drawings and all. Just yep, fair enough. Okay, and let's gonna do this over here. Just a moment, guys. Yep, let's look for this, and yep, I'm audible. Yeah, so here it is, gold. Have a good pullback over here. EMA on a higher high, and it literally cost 3371 US dollars from $3322, and that's a good range. What I feel like. So yeah, let's see. So today we're gonna mark and just forecast our future predictions of this. This is because some news, I guess. Community. Let's see over here for you. Mm-mm. Nope, there is no news over here. Let's look at the Forex factory. Forex factory, Forex market, smart money. वो जो कहती थी मत पियो ना मेरी जान सहर है ये उसे देखता हूँ उसी और के साथ सहर क्या पियूं. This calendar, yeah, over here. You're looking for anything on nearly to 24 August. Okay, Sunday, last week. Let's go to last week thing, and let's go to Friday and 7:30 p.m. Federal Chair Powell speaks. Oh fuck. So what was the result of this? Let's see. Due to speak in the economic outlook, the monetary policy framework at Jackson Hole economic policies. Okay. Federal Reserve more hawks than expected. It's good for currency, exactly. That means US dollars has been negligence, and the value of USD has been depreciated due to some bank interest by the Federal Reserves. So that's the reason we can see a good jump here in Great Britain pound again. US dollars has been consolidated. That means GBP is rising over here, and same goes for the US dollars over here. Which means if I go and see other one, if I go to trading view once again, I gotta like log in this thing. Just search for where is my that let's go to silver for a second. Okay, here it is, and it's again silver is on a high. That's a good thing. I feel like it's gonna cross the $40 mark over here. If have it eventually done, I feel like, let's see. You have 39.5. It has the ability to cross the $40 marks, but let's see. We're gonna go for any other one. Where is the US dollars index? Yeah, currency index. You will see a depreciation in the index, which means the value is going on the lower side. Let's see. Yup, see. You know why it is? Just because it's oppositely proportional to every currency I'm over here. Like, yeah, that's the reason it's on a lower side, because due to federal news of some interest during the public gathering at the Reserve Bank. So that's the reason it's on the lower side. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, let's look for a trading thing. So you wanna neglect this over here. Okay. Okay, yeah, I could have got that thing, but that's okay. That's not a big deal. So, yep, 154 pips of range. I could have taken a trade over here, but I didn't because due to my like family function. So that's the thing I missed out. But that's all right. That's not a big deal. Though, yep, let's look forward into matter and just take a trade on our own thing. So what I feel like is it's on a bullish momentum, so it's gonna neglect towards a support. It needed a support. We see a rejection over here, which means it do need a support, and this is going to be our Fibonacci zone from over here, which means we are going to take a trade at this point, adding an alert over here, which means again we have to look forward. Why this one only? You can see a EMA line across it over here. We see a rejection and a support zone on this zone over here. So that's the thing I was looking forward to it. So what I do really feel like is this one. So let's see what happened next. And let's see. Let's see for the same thing over here. And again, I'm going forward to it. And let's see for the gold XAUUSD thing. And we're gonna hope for this one over here. So let's see. And let's see over here. So we are looking forward for this, and let's look forward to it. So what I feel like we're gonna do this, just a moment. Yes, so okay, let's go for gold. It's done. Grid GBP has been done, so that's a demo chart in front of you, and let's go for the gold one. So yeah, here it is. And what I really feel like is gonna take a trade at gold. Okay, let's go on a daily time frame. Obviously it's an asset, so you're gonna see a bullish momentum, but let's refresh this. I got this got lagged. Yeah, okay, let's reset chart view. It's done. All I can see is a consolidation zone from days to days, from this to this. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna mark this zones from this to this again. Yep, from this to this. Can you see why it's been? That's a daily low, that's a daily high. Okay, from the recent past times, from I guess 10th of June to today's date, that's 22nd of August. That's a 1 month, sorry, 2 months of gap, I feel like. Yeah, so on the 4 hour time frame, what's the situation? It's again haha coffee personalized. So let's see on a 1 hour time frame. Looking for buyers, looking for sellers, that's a good thing, but eventually I can't just hold on for this moment to come over here. So what I'm gonna do is this. I am looking for a retracement because I got a rejection over here, which means it will require a pure support, and this best support zone is always considered as a golden pocket in the Fibonacci time frame, and in 1 hour time frame that too. So that's our best support zone in the recent time. I'm gonna pull this up till this over here. That's $3,378.238, and from 3,320.891 cents. So yeah, looking for a buy zone, that's our golden pocket. It's 0.5 to 0.618. The EMA is on a rising side, and EMA mixes with this golden pocket, so which means it has the highest probability of getting a retracement from this zone to up till this and take a higher high over here, which is again, let's see if I mark this zone with this one alert and just reject this one over here. What I can clearly see is that it's a support, it's a resistance zone, but it has been broken up over here, which means it's gonna act as a support zone over here. Okay, so which means again, it was a resistance over here. Can you see? Resistance, 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 resistance. It broke this resistance. Now it's a support zone, and the EMA has already been broken by this zone. So I feel like that's the highest, like this you can predict, but you can forecast. So my forecasting says that it's a higher height, like it's a high chance of going just taking a retracement from this up till this and taking again a big leap over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark this zone as a support zone because it's gonna act to me as a support one. Okay, so if I draw Fibonacci again over here, from this to this, Fibonacci lies, yeah, that's a perfect support zone. So what my trade is gonna look like, it was gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this, this 1300 pips of stop loss and 9617 pips of take profit. That's my thing. But eventually it's gonna take a time because you see, maximizing once this candle, that's just because due to high interest rates on the US federal government by the Reserve Bank. So that leaded in a 5000 pips of gap. You won't be having this news every fucking day. So that's the thing. It's gonna take like a week maybe from this to this, but eventually the rewards are very good. So yeah, that's the thing. So here it is. We went from this forecasting done. Yep, again done. If you wanna take a buy, my suggestion would be just wait and just a moment. Okay, just wait for this to retrace from this one. That's gonna sound fair enough. So, yep. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel. And देखते रहो यार. Subscribe कर दो. Thank you.